And what do we have today?
Party on Mountain. I opened 2. And
Yes, we got X's and open 2 already. So we have, let me show them first.
I already opened
Okay, let me show them the box first.
Open.
Puppy Dog Pals Series 1 Travel Pets, and you get 2 pets inside each carrier. So, I think the one you don't, there's a special one you can get, Rufus.
These 2 ones.
Oh, so which one? Is there one here? The one, look, right here is all the ones you can get. There you go. All right, and
these ones are from a long time ago.
Yep. So they each come with different carriers that you can reuse to play with, which is pretty cool. Uh-oh, this one broke. It's the one that fell?
Yes.
So one's yellow with the red. One's green and blue with the red.
Mommy,
Put their little carriers right there.
Can you show these 2?
So the one carrier, these are the ones Dean already opened. Came with a Rolly with a bone and a Bingo.
I did them a
Happy
long
Bingo.
time ago.
Yeah, he opened these a little bit ago. Okay, so what? The other 2 are Hissy with a ball of yarn and a happy Rolly.
That says I opened them.
So cool.
I opened them today.
Yep. Okay, so let's see.
And I got these 3.
Which one are you going to open now?
I'm
There's 3
opening
more to open.
And I opened these today.
Yes, which are we going to open first? That one?
I said I can open.
You can get it yourself? I'm going to take the packaging off for you and help him out. I'm going to take the cardboard off. How about you try that one?
It's hard.
It's a little hard. It's like thick cardboard. Okay.
Mommy, this one feels hard.
Oh boy, let me put a little rip in it. Hopefully it's not a duplicate.
This one too.
Hopefully none of these are duplicates. Let's see.
Wait, this is a North Hissy, but it's a different Hissy.
Oh yeah, you got a different Hissy?
And it has her eyes open.
Thumbs up. Let me see. Cool. He got another Hissy, but she's like a happy Hissy. Put you with your other Hissy.
Oh, I got Rolly.
A duplicate? Is it a duplicate?
No, we got Rolly with his ball.
Cool.
It's got Rolly ball with
So we got a Rolly with a bowl. Cool. Wow, Dean, you're doing really good with not getting duplicates. I hope that we keep going with the flow.
I hope this one gets the tennis racket with Bingo.
All right, let me see. You want me to open the plastic on it?
I had to open it really
Let's see.
hard. And
All
I
right, there's 2 in there.
right
I'm just gonna put the tear. Here's
side.
tear 1. Uh-oh. I see a duplicate in here.
I see it.
Is that a duplicate?
I see it.
Oh no, he got a set of duplicates. That's okay though, because you can give them to someone who doesn't have them.
What?
Yep, 2 duplicates. So we got another
Yarn.
Hissy, and Happy Rolly. But that's okay, we'll put them right here, and we'll put them in our duplicate pen.
And the last one.
Last one.
Yes.
How many are in there? 1 or 2?
Oh.
Is there another one in there?
This one's hard too.
Oh. Uh-oh.
What?
Uh-oh.
This one's not.
Uh-oh.
What?
These may be duplicates again.
Oh
Oh no! They are.
They're the same.
Oh no!
It's not Cupcake or Rufus.
That's what we really want. We want Cupcake. And who's the other one?
Rufus.
Cupcake. I put paper away.
Rufus too. Cupcake and
Rufus is the hardest one to find, I think. So he still needs Cupcake,
Mommy, let
Mean
me.
Rolly.
Hey, wait.
You want to see it?
Wait.
Oh, so this is another duplicate. That's okay though.
Wait, that's me.
We'll give him